wanted to come on here really quick. I'm getting ready for work, but I just wanted to show you guys. I got 3 days worth of wear out of this one hairstyle. If you guys want to see how I preserve the style and different things like that, click the link below. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video below. And I'm basically just gonna show you how I went from this to this. Alright, so stay tuned and we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up a little while ago. I want to take my hair out with you guys and see, this will be like the 5th day that I literally just shoved all my hair up in this scarf, because I've been so tired getting off of work, like I haven't felt like doing anything, so I just shoved all my hair up in this scarf. The mirror is like right over here, so that's what I'm looking at. And I'm just trying to pick it and work with it and make it as big as I can, because you know, it's the 4th day with this hairstyle and this hairstyle's habit. So I'm just trying to see what I can do. Tonight I will definitely have to be reflexi rotting. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I mean, I worked with it as best as I could, but this is what I came up with. And it's funny because some of the hairstyles that I get complimented on the most, literally I just rolled out of bed and like picked my hair out. So, you know, there's that. Yeah. So this is again the finished product, and I was jamming out to my music. This is a earphone, a headphone. My husband and I are selling them now, so we have our own company.